Hello, so ito yung reading natin for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Guys, please help our channel grow by subscribing, of course, sa mga bago dyan. Hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. Comment down below. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and share. And of course, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para ano tawag dito, update ka sa tuwing may bago kaming upload. Wait lang, hindi ko to na-feel. Hindi ito yung na-feel kong gamitin na card. I will be changing the card na gagamitin ko. Ayan, I'm feeling this one. Ito dapat yung gagamitin ko, yung unang hawak ko. Pero, biglang na iba yung energy. And I will use this card. Ayan. Spirit guides, angel guides, what do we have here for earth sign? Pagpasensyahan mo na yung maingay na ang ingay ng aking kaka-jailbird. I don't know if you can hear. Maingay yung ibon. So, yan ang aming pet. So, pagpasensyahan mo na. What do we have here for the sign of earth sign? Please, spirit guides, angel guides. For earth sign. I'm feeling like yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng recently lang may ginawa kang cleansing, some kind of cleansing. Maybe cleansing ng katawan mo, cleansing ng, ang tawag dito, body or home. Ayan. Or, maybe, alam mo yon yung mga spiritual cleansing. Ayan. Pag-i-incense, pag sisindi ng, yung mga laurel, ganyan. Maybe manifestation para sa iba. Cleansing din na, yeah, mga spiritual. Anyway, yun yung nararamdaman natin. But if hindi naman, okay lang. Nakaramdam lang ako. Spirit guides, angel guides, what do we have here for the sign of earth sign? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Okay, bago ako magsimula, my spirit guides keeps on reminding, hindi naman siya nag-remind ng mga nakaraang reading, but this time, parang someone needs to hear this. Parang may kailangan makarinig nito. Okay? Eto ha. You know, si God, the Creator, meron talaga siyang name. Diba? Marami siyang pangalan actually. But, there's a particular name na when you pray, or when you ask for something, mas mabilis mo yung marireceive if you will call His name. And my spirit guides keep on pushing me, sabihin mo. Diba? So, His name is Yahuwah. So, when you ask for something, maganda kung tatawagin mo yung name niya para mas mabilis matanggap yung blessing. na hinihiling mo. Okay? Diba? It feels so good to say his name. Yung unang name talaga yung yung name ni God. Marami siyang name din talaga. But that is his name. And way back, bata pa lang ako eh. Someone told me, and yung mga way back teenager years, ganun. Which is a spiritual person din. Na yung name ni God is yun yung unang binabanggit ng mga sanggol once na paglabas nila ng sinapupunan. Which is, Yahuwah. So anyway, okay, there you have it. Wala lang. Sinabi ko lang kasi kinukulit ako ng mga spirit guides ko. Dito sila sa gilid ko na I can feel this feeling na parang okay, ang dami. Kinukulit ako. What do we have here for Earth sign? Nine of Wands, Seven of Cups, Two of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. I'm hearing the word fries, French fries, ganun. Wait lang, I need to open the door. Ayan. So, Two of Wands. Ito yung energy mo ngayon. I feel like, may mga ginagawa ka na parang may kulang pa doon sa ginagawa mo. Maybe regarding your plano. Okay? And it could be anything. There's kulang, pero, for example, di ba? You want to invest on something, gusto mong magtayo ng negosyo, but then, parang kulang yung puhunan, etc. So, may kulang dito eh. But you do have here the Seven of Cups. You have a lot of ideas. You have a lot of maybe talents, skills, or parang ang tawag dito. May narinig ako ang tawag dito, yung parang nagpalagutok ng kamay. This could be your reading. Alam mo yun, yung pag yan na ganito, example. Pinakita ko na kasi hindi ko alam kung paano banggitin niya. This could be your reading, pero may what is that? Anyway, may tumatawag ng attention ko. Lagi akong napapalingon dito sa aking left side. Na of course, ako lang mag-isa dito sa room. Okay, anyway. You do have the Chariot at the bottom of the deck. This is Cancer energy. So, nakukuha natin dito, nasaan na ba tayo? Okay, nandun tayo sa may plano ka, hindi mo magawa or maituloy yung plano because you are lacking something eh. May kulang dito. Nine of Wands, I feel like ready or not, here I come. So, ibig sabihin, it's a good thing na meron kang plano. Kasi, gustuhin mo man or hindi, may mga dadating sa'yo. These are opportunities, ha? The High Priestess. Oh, wow. I love it. Hinawakan ko yung card na to and tumaas yung mga balahibo ko sa buong katawan and it feels so, anong tawag dito? Saya. So anyway, sa nakukuha natin dito sa energy mo, may paparating sa'yo na blessing. Tell me about the person. Nakakonect mo. Spirit guides, angel guides. Please tell me. What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign? Wheel of Fortune, the Hierophant, Five of Swords is here. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Hierophant. And the Sun is here. May naririnig na naman, sorry ha. Makukulit ang aking spirit guides ngayon. Like, parang hindi part ng reading pero talagang kinukulit nila ako. Kaya talaga sabihin ko lang. Meron ako nakikitang nagpo-protect sa'yo. This is spiritual protection. Especially yung iba sa inyo, earlier of this reading, nabanggit ko yung name ni God. And pwedeng binanggit mo yon or you did something. So, nakakita tayo dito ng protection and this is a confirmation na narinig ka. Okay? So, kung nakarelate ka dun, like my spirit guides, gusto nila sabihin sa'yo na you are protected. Don't worry. Huwag kang mag-alala. Okay? Huwag kang mag-alala. You are protected. Hindi ka pababayaan. Just do your thing. This is your message. Ayun. Okay na? Okay na. Kasi, spirit guides, medyo, as much as possible, nagko-concentrate ako dun sa reading. And, I'm listening to my guides na may kinalaman dun sa reading yung sinasabi sa akin. Pero pag nililigaw kasi nila ako ng, like may sasabihin silang message, minsan nawawala na ako dun sa energy ng reading. Ulyanin pa naman ako, guys. Kaya hindi ko na maalala agad yung, nasa na nga pala ako natapos. Tsaka yung, parang yung flow na nung story, doon ako nawawala eh. Okay, kaya as much as possible, spirit guides, please naman. Medyo, kung may message kayo, agahan nyo na yung tipong yung tipong hindi yung habang nagkikwento ako or what, para hindi ako nalilito or nawawala. Okay? Okay. Ayan, balik tayo sa reading. Five of Swords. Etong person na to, nahihiya siya sa'yo. The Queen of Wands. it feels like, yung energy nito parang may gusto siya sabihin. And the Hierophant, it could be something na parang nakukuha ko yung energy ng Asteroid Chiron. Well, Asteroid Chiron is a wounded healer teacher. So, dalawa lang yan. Either something na gusto niya sabihin kasi gusto niya ituro sa'yo, or gusto niya sabihin kasi in a way, ito yung makakapagpa-heal sa kanya. Parang ganon. Maybe not telling you this in the past, or kahit hanggang ngayon, no? Hanggat hindi niya nasasabi, masakit or mahirap para sa kanya yon, or nasasaktan siya. The Sun is here. Especially if this person is may pang-aasar na ginagawa sa'yo or ginawa sa'yo noon. Inaasar ka niya kasi nandun yung energy ng, you know when you like someone in elementary days, di ba may, the more na gusto mo yung, may parang kasabihan dati na ganun eh. Nauso sa amin yun. The more you hate, the more you love, parang ganun. Pero of course, dun yun sa elementary days na parang, pag lalo mong inaasar, ibig sabihin may gusto ka dun sa tao. So, this could be the energy na magre-relate dito sa iyo. Especially kung lagi ka inaasar nitong person na to. I don't know if you're drunk or nakikinig ka sa akin, you're not feeling well. This could be a reading. Or you're drunk, or pagod, or wala ka sa ulirat, nakikinig ka lang. 5 of Wands, Strength card. Yeah, I can see the proud energy here. Five of Wands. Mataas yung ego mo. Hindi lang dito sa person. Well, I'm not getting the energy na ikaw ay may alam dito sa person na to, or maybe may connection ngayon, maybe hindi talaga ito focus mo. Kaya reading natin dito is more on ang focus mo is sa mga plano mo. Pwedeng I can see how proud you are, and marami ka naman dapat talagang ipagyabang or ipagmalaki sa sarili mo, which is kapag mapagmalaki yan. And you do have this mataas na ego. Hindi ka para magpatalo. Okay. Especially kung alam mong sa'yo yun. Deserve mo yun. Akin yun. Hindi ako para magpatalo. Ilalaban ko yun. Especially kung gusto mo yun, mahal mo yun, pinag-effortan mo yun, or naging mahaba yung patience mo doon. Lahat ng kinakatakutan mo is nailabas mo doon. And yeah, you are like this. The message for you is to fight for this. Ipaglaban mo din. Kung nahirapan ka, nasaktan ka, that is part of learnings na dapat mong matutunan. But then, nakita natin na marami ka natutunan, okay ka na ngayon. So, kumbaga ngayon ka pa ba susuko? No, hindi na ito yung time na sumuko ka sa mga minsan na ginawa mo or nakitaan mo ng posibilidad. Hindi naman yun maipapakita sa'yo ng wala lang, 'di ba? So, or hindi naman ipaparanas sa'yo yun ng wala lang. So, anyway, emotions ng person na to for you. The Wheel of Fortune is here, followed by the Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Wheel of Fortune is the energy of your person, emotions niyo sa isa't isa. Gusto talaga niya mag-reach out. By the way, minaamoy ako nagpa-plancha. This could be a reading. Yeah. The Empress. Gusto niya mag-reach out. And the Wheel of Fortune, kasi gusto niya mabago yung sistema or gusto niya mabago yung connection ninyong dalawa. The Empress, this person, gustong-gusto kanya physical attraction. So, in the near future, what is the message in the near future for the both of you? King of Swords, the Tower, the Six of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. The Seven of Swords, Four of Swords, and the Eight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck is the Devil, Capricorn energy. Three of Swords is here. In the near future, I feel like meron kang mga, sabi ko nga meron kang pwedeng mga plano. Nakikita natin, sinusubukan mong gawin. Kaya mo. Kinakaya mo. The Tower, I can also see an ending here with the past, Six of Cups. Pwedeng this has something to do with nagpapasaya sa'yo. Pero, okay, enough is enough. Parang ganon. Okay, napapasaya ako nito, pero kailangan ko siyang i-end kasi this is no longer healthy for me. And at the same time, para may rest para sa inyo. Yung iba kasi pwedeng pati pagpapahinga ay nagsasuffer sa'yo. Hindi ka na nakapahinga ng maayos. So, nandun yung pahinga na ibinibigay mo sa sarili mo. Pag kinukuha ko yung energy mo, ang focus mo talaga is more on self. I love this energy. It could be very mature ka na. Pagdating sa love, ganun din. Matured energy. Person nakakonect, hindi yun edad ha. Maturity, wala naman sa edad yun. Kahit mag-edad ka pa ng 70 or 80 naman. If you're immature, di ba? Seven of Swords, the Four of Swords, Eight of Swords. Person nakakonect mo. Alam mo yung feeling na this could be an admirer ha. Kasi wala talaga ako nakuha sa energy mo dito eh. May nag-admire sa'yo. The Seven of Swords, itong person na to is nakakakuha tayo ng pagseselos or inggit It could be may mga tao sa paligid mo na nagiging dahilan para maka-feel siya ng ganito. The Four of Swords, pero wala siya magawa. Of course. Hello. Ano ba mapapil ko sa buhay mo? Parang ganun. But I feel like yung person na to is na sasaktan or naiinis siya. Mas more on iinis, galit, yun. Doon sa sarili din niya. Kasi, parang feeling niya, ang syunga-syunga niya sa part na hinayaan ka niya or hinayaan niyang maging ganito yung sitwasyon niya ngayon. Sabi ko, nahihiya tong person na to. Pwedeng in the past, may mga binigay kang attention sa kanya pero parang hindi gano'n na. Kumbaga nabaliwala yung mga attention na yun. Maybe in the past feeling niya mas better siya sa'yo or what, or you're not good enough. But then, napatunayan mo naman na hindi. You're good enough. You are better. You have everything. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Ingat kayo palagi and bye-bye.